Alright, this video is in partnership with Nadula here, and here is the beautiful box it comes in. So I got 3 bundles and a closure. It comes with some lashes. These accessories were actually kind of cute. I want to try that lash hack on these. So it comes in a plastic bag with a rubber band wrapped around the wefting part. I don't know, the base? I don't know what this is called. But yes, the rubber band is wrapped around it. I got 3 bundles of their Indian straight hair, you guys. This hair is so bomb. I don't ever want to try Brazilian or Malaysian again. Brazilian who? Malaysian who? Anyways, that's the wefting. It's double wefted. And here's a very blunt 4x4 closure. She was just very blunt, girl. And she didn't really... The closure didn't bleach well, like the knots didn't bleach well. But anyways, I made the wig. Here's what she's looking like. She looked like bedhead. Y'all, I gotta tell y'all something right quick, okay? So I made the mistake of hot gluing this on top of a plastic bag to protect my canvas head. And look what happened, y'all. It stuck right to the doggone cap. And now when I press my wig, all you hear is crinkles. So I can't even wear this thing in public. Because people gonna be like, do she got chips? Does she got chips in her wig? Anyways, I'm gonna take this pretty in a minute flat iron and this rat tail comb. That flat iron is from my sister's like cosmetology school kit, and all I'm gonna do is chase the hair. Straighten the hair using the chasing method. So if you look at my hands, first I'm going to put my fingers over top of the comb to give the hair tension for the first pass. In the second pass, I'm just gonna go in straight with the comb. So just wash my hands. I just pulled the hair with my fingers to give the hair some tension because it wasn't straightening the way I wanted it to. And I was doing very slow passes. It just looks fast because of course this footage is sped up, but I'm doing very slow passes to straighten the hair. I mean, the hair is already straight, but it's not that bone straight, you know. It's kind of like that fluffy straight, and I wanted it to be straight. But I did co-wash these bundles and this closure, and I don't think I rinsed the conditioner all the way out. I'm guilty for doing that. I do quick rinses. So I think some of the conditioner was still left in this hair, so it was kind of stiff when straightening it. I'll just do a better job of rinsing out my co-washing. But yeah, all I'm doing is straightening this hair. This hair is amazing, you guys. Indian hair is magnificent. It's so soft. It's so thick. It has so much body. It's really one of the best hair textures I've ever touched. Like, I don't even know if I want to like be messing with Brazilian or Malaysian no more, because this hair is amazing, you guys. I literally have nothing bad to say about this hair. This is honestly now... Listen, this has my favorite hair company has competition. So just watch me straighten this hair. I'm gonna do a very quick job. I only did half of it because, you know, it's very redundant, y'all. Alright, and as I'm wrapping up the flat iron, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this hair a trim, like a quick trim, y'all. I am no cut master. Me and scissors are just a disaster. Oh my gosh, that rhymes. But anyways, I'm just gonna give the hair a trim in a diagonal shape, if that's a word. Because the ends were kind of stringy and they were a little sparse. You know, the ends were just a little sparse in that area. So I'm just doing a diagonal, as you see right there. It actually looks pretty cute. I'm going to take this OGX Orchid Oil Spray just to give the hair back some sheen and some, like, moisture sealant after all that heat, girl. But I'm actually going to heat it up again because I am going to bump the hair. But I'm just going to spray that oil in and comb it out throughout the hair. This oil smells so good. Like, it's so good. I really only use it because I really love the smell. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with the flat iron, girl. I know, more heat, but you know, it's a wig, so who cares? And I'm just gonna bump the hair in, you know, just do some classic bumping. Let me know. I'm sorry, I'm stuttering, y'all. Let me know what y'all's favorite flat iron is, because I really need one. I don't have any good flat irons in my possession, and that's why I feel like I did a struggle straightening job on this wig. So put me onto some good flat irons, y'all. Let me know what's up. Alright, and after I'm done bumping it, I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the part. As you can see, it looks like I didn't even bleach the knot, so the knots just didn't bleach at all. But I didn't want to do a second bleaching session because I didn't want to risk ruining the closure. And now I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and razoring some baby hairs. I know, I need a new razor. That was kind of dull. And now, look, we have our makeup on. Now it's time to put on the wig. I'm not even going to lie, I wasn't feeling this wig at first. I was like, ooh, girl, she is very top heavy. But I did make this wig very well. Like, she was very snug. I didn't need to lay down any glue, any gel, any nothing, because it really stuck flat to my head and it was very snug. It was so snug to the point where it gave me a headache. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that little bit of lace, and I'm just going to mess with the hair. I don't really like working with closures. Like, I think this is one of the last closures I'll work with because you just can't work with much space. But anyways, I'm putting some concealer in the parts. This is my Kevin Aquan concealer. I'm just going to rub that in and then just take a spoolie and rub out the concealer I got on the hair. And this is basically it. A very quick, easy, everyday style. Yeah, I was like, I don't know, does this look good? I was just asking myself this so many times, but I was like, yeah, she's kind of cute. It's just like a very casual, classic style. I feel like this is perfect for work, perfect for school, perfect for that corporation. I hope you guys enjoy this very quick and easy